Hello and welcome to another session of our video tutorials on how to use BounceBack features. We've had a video tutorial on how to create a boot disk on our website, but it was meant to be for advanced users, creating a boot disk in advanced mode for for scenarios that require custom drivers to be also included in the boot disk. Most people, 90% of the people, will not need that, and all you have to do is create a boot disk using the simple method. So I'm gonna go through that quickly. It's very simple. From the opening screen, you just click the image backup and then launch the image backup tool, which should bring up this window. Here you'll see the boot disk button. Click on that. Just leave it as simple. Type. Click next. Create the image. This will take about a minute or so for BounceBack to create the boot image, which will be ready for you to write to your flash drive or CD. Whichever you choose. We always recommend using the flash drive. Seems to be simpler, easier to keep, create, and carry around. But it's up to you. You could use a CD if your computer has a CD writer. Once you have this message that says process completed successfully, click next to continue. You can click on next. You will be presented with the drives that it detects on your computer. On my computer here, I have a flash drive attached that I'm going to write the boot disk to, and so I select that and click finish. This is now writing the boot media to my USB drive, and shortly I should get a message that it was created. What you can do is simply remove it, restart your computer, and make sure the flash drive or the CD is attached to your computer, and make sure that it can boot from it. As you can see, the process is completed now. Your flash drive is ready for you to be used. Wish you the best. Have a nice day.